but you're still climbing on this side too. Go passenger. Right there. Just a little bit, not so much. No, not so much. Just a little bit. Go back to driver. Go back to driver. I don't know how close you are to the rock. Hang on. How close am I? Because of those rocks. Right there, you're gonna go up a rock. You have to back up a little bit more because you're hitting the edge of the rock and it's sliding you over. And unfortunately, you keep sliding further and further this way. Now crank it all the way, passenger. There you go, right there. A little bit, driver, so that you can start going up. Little passenger, just a little bit. Right there, so that way you can go up all those rocks. Okay, now what I'm thinking, so I'm gonna go hard driver. I'm gonna go hard driver and ride the rear tire up this rock. Up this ramp. Okay. Oh, dude, holy shit. Okay, your front end is gonna start climbing and your back end is gonna start dropping. The problem is now your front end, whoa. Your front end is gonna drop big time. No. Your front tire is already tipping. Okay, your right is gonna drop. Go with your instincts now. You'll clear it. If you go a little driver, there you go. Now you can either climb out or you can keep going. It's up to you, buddy. We've gotten this far together.
You guys should try it?
A man with no limitations. Okay, let's come out and take a look. Okay, keep going, passenger, keep going, passenger, keep going, passenger, passenger, passenger. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there. Now you're just gonna catch the edge of it. There you go. Now you start going, drivers. Just go slow because you're gonna drop. You're gonna drop. You're gonna drop. Okay, remember you gotta come up this rock. Okay, that way. Okay, you're gonna drop big time on the backside. Let's start going this way a little bit. Start going this way. Okay, keep going, go, 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 go. Now climb, climb. Go that way.